In Asagaon house demolition case, the road has been cleared for crime branch to arrest prime accused Pooja Sharma in this case, as the Panji Principal District and Sessions Court has dismissed the anticipatory bail application filed by Pooja Sharma. Now only two options are ahead before Pooja Sharma, either to surrender before the crime and join the investigation or to approach the High Court. The counsel represented Pooja Sharma said that he will read the judgment first and then decide that what to do the next.
Yeah, I do not know why, because we have to get a copy of the order. We are informed that the order is ready. We will apply for a certified copy immediately.
Sir, as the bail has been dismissed, so your client will appear before the IO or you will approach the higher court?
Let us see it for my client to decide. But as far as I understand, I always thought nobody is above the law. Law is above all. I am disturbed by that, by hearing this order.
But do you see any reason behind this order?
Huh?
Do you see any specific reason behind this order?
According to me, there was every reason to grant bail. But then this has happened.
Okay.
So do you think there's still political pressure is there?
I don't know. Somebody may just bow down to political pressure externally also when there is no pressure. Because of politics, politicians, it's like that.
But
There are only some judges who consider that the law is above all, nothing is above law.
You also said that she will be available if you want to. She can come and.
Yeah, she can come. We said that don't arrest me, grant me bail. I will come and depose or give statement. That was what we had said.
Now she is in Mumbai.
She must be in Bombay because that is her residence. I don't know. It's for her to decide what should happen.
So what could be a reason why it is dismissed?
I will have to imagine. I don't know. I have to read. After I read the reasons, I can say something about it.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.